Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear Muslim brothers, today I am going to explain you what happened in Markaz Nizamuddin and what is current condition and situation and what is controversies behind these incidents. So we will start from beginning. So my dear brothers, we all known due to coronavirus all humanity and all over the world facing this issue. So India also largest country and many states, so many people. So Indian government also decided lockdown for whole country. But before Indian Prime Minister decided, many states also they started to lock down in them states like Maharashtra and Delhi and other some states. When Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi he announced lockdown for whole country for 21 days from 23rd March to 14th of April. So when he announced lockdown for whole country, what happened in Markaz Nizamuddin, I will explain you. Delhi states before this date, Delhi state already announced lockdown for Delhi states and Markaz Nizamuddin also located in Delhi states. So when Delhi government announced and decided lockdown for Delhi states, though they given notice to Markaz Nizamuddin kindly free Markaz Nizamuddin from people because right now the law 144, this is Indian law, this is article number 144 like Constitution of India's 144 article. So he said more than 4 people are not allowed to stay one place or more than 4 people not allowed to make crowd. So Delhi government already given the notice to Markaz Nizamuddin kindly free from people to Markaz Nizamuddin because due to coronavirus we are making social distance. Markaz Nizamuddin, right now I will explain you situation of Markaz Nizamuddin. Markaz Nizamuddin, they are anytime if anyone visited Markaz Nizamuddin, he can understand Markaz Nizamuddin is crowded place and there anytime, every time there are 5,000, 10,000 people are present. But this situation Markaz Nizamuddin also decided and Markaz Nizamuddin he given in written to Delhi government, we have more than 1,500 people in Markaz Nizamuddin and 300 foreigners. So we are requesting to Delhi government, to police department to help us because we can't do anything because right now trains are not working, buses are not working, planes are not working. When in this situation what we can do? So we are requesting to Delhi government, we are requesting to Indian government, we are requesting to police department kindly help and kindly make space and kindly because all these people they are inside the Markaz Nizamuddin, they are not from only Delhi. Many people from Tamil Nadu, many people from Andhra Pradesh, many people from north of India, many south of India, many east of India, many west of India, because Markaz Nizamuddin is center of Tabligh and more than 15 countries people also inside the Markaz Nizamuddin. So government should be help us. But my dear brothers, government didn't help. Government didn't taken any action on this request and after this many Indian news channels when they understood the situation inside the Markaz Nizamuddin more than 2,000 people, so many Indian news channels, they published wrong newses, and they publish and they highlighted some false issues and false newses about Markaz Nizamuddin. Inside the Markaz Nizamuddin, more than 2000 people, and in Markaz Nizamuddin so foreigners, and Markaz Nizamuddin is responsible for coronavirus in India. So like false newses and like wrong messages they highlighted, and they make misunderstand and misknowledge to people. So after this, they shows about our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab, and some Akabir of Markaz Nizamuddin, and some speeches of our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab. But after all such things, government given notice to our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab, why you invited such crowd after coronavirus, after 144, and after lockdown. So our Hazrat ji replied to such notices, we didn't invited to such crowd because crowd was already before the lockdown, and we already informed to government officers, government departments. So right now I will explain you current condition and situation of Markaz Nizamuddin. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Markaz Nizamuddin's condition and situation is well. After free Markaz Nizamuddin, they are sanitized. Whole Markaz Nizamuddin right now under the government law 144. Almost 4 or 5 people, they are praying 5 times in Markaz Nizamuddin. Markaz Nizamuddin's masjid, Alhamdulillah, they are all salats, all time prayers and worships already performing, Alhamdulillah, 4 and 5 peoples. And our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab, also Bakhair wa Afiyat, he is well. So kindly don't worry about our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab. He is well, he is safe, he is right now in quarantine, Alhamdulillah, and he is replying to all government notices, and he answering all questions, because sometime I am speaking to some our Akabir and taking the newses about our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab, and our other Akabirs, how are they. So Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, don't worry about our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab. Don't worry about Markaz Nizamuddin. Markaz Nizamuddin right now safe. Markaz Nizamuddin, Markaz Nizamuddin is Abad. Abad means 5 times worship already performing there, Alhamdulillah. And Markaz Amals already under the government law and government section, they are performing. Don't worry about Markaz Nizamuddin. Just I request to all Muslim brothers in the all over the world, kindly pray to Allah, make secure to our Hazrat ji and Markaz Nizamuddin from Hasidin, from Sharirs, from Shayateen, from jealous peoples, and from enemies. Just I request to all over the world's Markaz Nizamuddin's lovers and Dawat Tableegh's followers. Just it, my dear brothers and friends. And if you have any queries, any question, any concerns, don't worry, no problem, you can email me. Inshallah, I will try to reply you with authentic answer, and inshallah, if I need, I will make some other video also about the Markaz Nizamuddin's conditions, situations, and about our Hazrat ji, because my English is not well. I am speaking in Indian style, and my verbs and my grammars is many mistakes, maybe you can understand, but I am trying only for I got some messages and some comments. Many people, they don't understand Hindi and Urdu. They requested me, they want to know about the current situation and condition about Markaz Nizamuddin and Indian Muslims and our Hazrat ji, Maulana Saad Sahab, and our Akabir. So my dear brothers, I made this video in my tutti frutti English. Tutti frutti English means with many mistakes, grammatical mistakes, and but no problem. If I need, I will make another bayan, another sabak to inform you what is current situation and condition of Markaz Nizamuddin. Just request for pray our Hazrat ji and for our Markaz Nizamuddin and Dawat Tabligh inshallah. Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.